breathe. So we're gonna try to do a toe touch right now without stretching. It's Morgan's turn. I just rolled my foot. Blasphemy. Now it's my
participles all over the board.
It's Hannah's turn.
Good one. I'm gonna try the one where your legs are straight out. Let me try. Okay. Watch me. Do you like flips up?
You've got a doodle bug.
Get him. I forgot to wipe.
You will lose our paintings. Hannah made this for me. The little one painting of the world. It says, peace dog. I love the world. Recycle.
A lot.
A lot. Doodle. I made another one too.
She made him.
This one. That's the tattoo that I want. And this is says.
When words fail, music speaks. Yeah. And then I made for George Mama. Not Jerd, just his mom. The sunset.
It's hideous.
Wait, show you.
Let's go see if there's anyone in the hallway.
Anymore.
Take the flashlight. Hold on 1 second. We have a flashlight. We're going fine. This is the DJ lounge. We're in the lounge. We're gonna go. We'll see you later.